Ben All, Keller Williams Realty, Bellamax Realty Group, and today we are at 124 Silver Rock Drive in Trophy Club. So for those of you that aren't familiar with Trophy Club, what a great community. It sits just north of 114 and a little bit to the east of 377. Got Grapevine Lake on the north side of the community, and it's just an amazing hometown kind of community. Golf course, lots of community activities, tons of things going on. You'll see golf carts running all over the neighborhood, just tons of things happening here. So it's an awesome community for you to come check out. And this particular home, it is a single story. It's right at 1,900 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It is in immaculate condition. So come on in, let's take a look. 124 Silver Rock Drive here in Trophy Club. Love for you to take a look at it. So as you come in, you can see just very open, very bright, high ceilings, and it's just an immaculate shape. You've got wood floors pretty much throughout and ceramic tile here in the entryway through into the kitchen. All the colors are neutral. It's very open, very clean. There's not a single thing you need to do to this house other than just bring yourself here and bring your things and move in and make it yours. You've got a formal living, formal dining here at the very front of the house, and then as you move through into the main section of the house, you've got just a really great open kitchen. You've got a great island, you've got an eat-in bar, breakfast area, living room with a fireplace, wall of windows across the back looking out onto the backyard. So just a great family space. Off to the right, as you're in the family room, you've got a private hallway, and then you head into the master suite. So huge master suite, high ceilings, plantation shutters, great architectural feature on the windows, nice big walk-in closet, and then the master bath, just recently been completely remodeled and redone. So stand-up shower, glass enclosure, garden tub, new cabinet, sink, great vanity and mirror area. So just a beautiful bathroom. Off to the other side of the house, so split bedroom arrangement here. You've got the other 2 bedrooms, full bathroom, laundry area, and entry to the garage. Fantastic little backyard in the back. Got a great open patio space, wood fence, very nice, very private, plenty of space for you, your pets, your dogs to entertain, have a great time. Come take a look at this. Again, it's 124 Silver Rock Drive here in Trophy Club. Love for you guys to make this your home. Reach out, Ben All, Keller Williams Realty, Bellamax Realty Group, 817-992-1886. Thank you.